Have you ever pondered the remarkable benefits of castor oil? Its widespread acclaim stems from its multifaceted advantages for health and well-being. Originating from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, castor oil has been a cornerstone of traditional Indian medicine for centuries, revered for its efficacy in addressing diverse concerns such as skin ailments, digestive issues, and microbial infections. Beyond its medicinal uses, castor oil finds utility across a spectrum of industries, from fuel production to pharmaceuticals. But does it truly live up to its reputation? Today, let's embark on an exploration into the rationale behind the widespread practice of applying castor oil before bedtime. From its potential to nurture skin and hair to its purported benefits for digestive health, we'll examine the 12 compelling reasons why integrating castor oil into your nightly regimen may yield significant advantages. Join us as we delve into the discourse surrounding the efficacy of castor oil and unlock its potential for optimal well-being. Number 1. Improved joint health. Castor oil is renowned for its versatility, boasting a rich history of applications. Among its many uses, it stands out for its remarkable ability to improve joint health. Individuals grappling with joint discomfort and inflammation find relief through its soothing properties. Its constituents target joint inflammation, alleviating pain and stiffness effectively. By penetrating deeply into the skin and tissues, castor oil lubricates joints, enhancing movement and reducing discomfort. Moreover, it bolsters blood circulation to joints, facilitating the delivery of vital nutrients and oxygen while eliminating harmful toxins that contribute to swelling. Additionally, castor oil strengthens muscles and ligaments, alleviating pressure on joints and promoting overall joint health. Notably, it combats oxidative stress within the joints, mitigating potential damage to joint tissues. In essence, castor oil serves as a comprehensive solution for promoting joint comfort, mobility, and resilience against inflammatory conditions. Number 2. Sleep aid. Struggling with sleep problems is a widespread issue, often leaving individuals feeling exhausted and unable to function optimally. Just as castor oil aids in alleviating constipation, it also presents a promising solution for sleep disturbances like insomnia. Many people grapple with difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep, leading to daytime fatigue and impaired performance. While medications are commonly turned to for relief, their overuse can lead to dependency and exacerbate the problem. In such cases, castor oil emerges as a natural alternative worth considering. By applying a small amount of castor oil to the eyelids before bedtime, individuals can experience relaxation and facilitate the onset of sleep. This simple practice taps into castor oil's inherent calming properties, offering a gentle and non-intrusive method to promote restful sleep. For those averse to applying oil directly to the eyelashes, aromatherapy with essential oils provides an equally effective option. Mixing castor oil with oils such as peppermint, lavender, or rose and applying the blend to the temples can induce a sense of tranquility, aiding in the transition to sleep. In essence, castor oil serves as a natural aid for sleep, offering a gentle yet effective means to address insomnia and improve sleep quality. Its versatility allows individuals to tailor their approach to suit their preferences, whether through direct application or aromatherapy, ultimately fostering a more restful and rejuvenating night's sleep. Number 3. Constipation relief. Constipation is a common ailment that can cause significant discomfort, but castor oil offers a natural remedy. Acting as a laxative, it stimulates the muscles of the digestive tract, facilitating the passage of food through the intestines and promoting bowel movements. When ingested, castor oil is metabolized to enhance intestinal function, relieving constipation effectively. Research supports its efficacy, particularly in easing bowel movements and reducing strain, especially among older adults. However, it's crucial to use castor oil judiciously to avoid adverse effects such as stomach upset, diarrhea, or cramps. Individuals with underlying health conditions should seek medical advice before use. In addition to castor oil, dietary adjustments can aid in managing constipation. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and kefir can promote gut health, while fiber-rich options such as beans and clear soups provide essential nutrients that support bowel regularity. In summary, castor oil serves as a valuable and natural solution for constipation, offering relief and promoting gastrointestinal health. When used appropriately and supplemented with dietary changes, it can significantly improve bowel function and overall well-being. Number 4. Hair health. Castor oil possesses the ability to enhance hair health and shine, potentially promoting thicker, stronger, and faster hair growth, akin to coconut oil. It aids in untangling hair and can address issues like hair becoming tightly wound into hard lumps. Castor oil's potential to aid in hair regrowth stems from its ability to increase blood flow to the hair roots, potentially accelerating hair growth. This is why individuals often use it on eyebrows and eyelashes as well. Some research suggests that ricinic acid in castor oil may mitigate hair loss by impacting specific hormones. For individuals with thick or frizzy hair, incorporating a few drops of castor oil into conditioner can yield smoother results. For a more intensive treatment, applying castor oil to hair before bed and washing it out in the morning can be beneficial. It may require shampooing twice to fully remove the oil. Number 5. Immune system support. Castor oil contributes to strengthening the immune system by enhancing the functionality of the lymphatic system. This vital system comprises small tubes distributed throughout the body, responsible for eliminating excess fluid, proteins, and cellular waste. By promoting fluid flow within the lymphatic system, castor oil improves blood circulation and supports the health of the thymus gland, an integral component of the immune system. For centuries, people have relied on castor oil to address various health concerns, including joint pains, back pains, constipation, and stomach issues. Studies have shown that applying castor oil packs on the abdomen can increase the production of lymphocytes, crucial cells in the immune system responsible for combating pathogens and toxins. Furthermore, castor oil is beneficial for heart health and alleviating digestive issues like constipation. Overall, castor oil's immune-boosting properties make it a valuable component of holistic health practices. Number 6. Wound healing. Castor oil is renowned for its efficacy in healing small wounds. While it's essential to seek medical attention for serious injuries, castor oil serves as a valuable remedy for minor cuts and scratches. By keeping the affected area moist, castor oil aids in preventing the wound from drying out, facilitating the healing process. Medical professionals often utilize castor oil-based ointments, such as Ventula, which contain additional healing agents like Peru balsam. This combination is particularly effective in treating burns, skin sores, and wounds resulting from surgical procedures. The rolic acid present in castor oil works to reduce swelling and alleviate pain, further supporting the healing process. Research corroborates the efficacy of castor oil in wound care. For instance, specialized sprays containing Peruvian balsam, castor oil, and the enzyme trypon have demonstrated remarkable success in healing wounds, even in cases where conventional treatments were ineffective. While castor oil primarily excels in wound healing, it boasts additional benefits across various domains of health and wellness. Its versatile nature and proven efficacy make it a valuable addition to holistic healthcare practices. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before using castor oil-based products, as they may contain additional ingredients that could interact with existing medical conditions or treatments. Number 7. Denture care. Castor oil facilitates the cleaning of dentures, a task often challenging to achieve. Its efficacy in maintaining denture cleanliness is particularly beneficial for individuals with older dentures, prone to bacterial and fungal buildup. By preventing conditions like denture stomatitis caused by candida overgrowth, castor oil soaking effectively combats fungus and germs. Studies have validated its effectiveness, demonstrating a reduction in infection symptoms and fungus issues among older adults with dentures. This simple yet effective method offers a practical solution for maintaining oral hygiene and preventing associated complications. Number 8. Anti-inflammatory and pain relief. Castor oil is renowned for its ability to alleviate inflammation and pain. With its potent anti-inflammatory properties, it effectively reduces swelling caused by the body's immune response to injury or infection. Rich in ricinoleic acid, castor oil acts as a natural pain reliever, soothing discomfort from conditions like arthritis, sore muscles, and menstrual cramps. Additionally, its application enhances blood circulation, further diminishing pain. Castor oil's therapeutic benefits extend to reducing puffiness and soreness from insect bites, bruises, and minor wounds. Moreover, it aids the lymphatic system in eliminating toxins and excess fluid, thereby preventing swelling. Whether applied topically or ingested, castor oil stimulates the lymphatic process, promoting the reduction of inflammation and swelling. Its multifaceted approach to pain relief and inflammation management makes it a valuable asset in holistic healthcare practices. Number 9. Fungal infection treatment. Castor oil serves as a traditional remedy for treating various health and beauty concerns, including fungal infections affecting the skin, nails, and scalp. Unlike conventional medications, castor oil effectively inhibits fungal growth and spread, ultimately eradicating the infection. Its application on affected areas reduces inflammation, alleviating discomfort. Furthermore, castor oil's moisturizing properties hydrate dry, flaky skin resulting from fungal infections, thereby relieving itchiness and dry patches. This natural remedy offers a holistic approach to treating fungal infections, addressing both the underlying cause and associated symptoms for improved skin health. Number 10. Moisturizing dry skin. Castor oil offers a natural solution for dry skin concerns, providing long-lasting moisture without the need for numerous lotions and creams. Its inherent composition, including ricinoleic acid, effectively locks in moisture, ensuring skin remains hydrated. Unlike commercial moisturizers containing additional ingredients that may irritate the skin, pure castor oil offers a simple and cost-effective alternative. Its versatility allows for application across the entire body, delivering soft and supple skin. Many individuals opt to blend castor oil with complementary oils like coconut or almond to enhance its moisturizing properties further. However, it's essential to conduct a patch test before full application to avoid potential allergic reactions. By incorporating castor oil into skincare routines, individuals can enjoy nourished and revitalized skin, free from dryness and discomfort. Number 11. Digestive health. Castor oil aids in promoting healthy digestion by facilitating the movement of food through the intestines, particularly beneficial for those experiencing difficulty with bowel movements. It encourages regularity and alleviates discomfort, effectively cleansing the gut of harmful substances, particularly beneficial for individuals exposed to pollution or excessive junk food consumption. Additionally, it combats abdominal swelling, reducing pain, bloating, and gas caused by stress, poor dietary habits, or illness. Moreover, castor oil supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, contributing to overall digestive health and minimizing digestive issues. Number 12. Labor induction. Castor oil has been a long-standing remedy for inducing labor in pregnant women. Its mechanism involves stimulating bowel movements, which can irritate the uterus and trigger contractions. Moreover, it promotes the production of specific fats that aid in cervical ripening, preparing the body for childbirth. A 2018 study reported a success rate of approximately 91% among women who used castor oil to initiate labor, with no complications. Furthermore, a review of 19 studies confirmed the safety and efficacy of oral castor oil administration for cervical priming and labor induction. However, it may cause adverse effects such as nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea. Consequently, some healthcare providers advise against its use due to the potential risk of fetal meconium passage, which can be hazardous. Therefore, pregnant individuals should only use castor oil for labor induction under the guidance and approval of their healthcare provider. We're thrilled to highlight the remarkable health benefits of castor oil, spanning skincare to alleviating constipation. This versatile oil has served as a reliable remedy for various health concerns over the years. If you're seeking improvement in your hair, skin, or digestive health, consider giving castor oil a try. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable health advice. Stay tuned for additional insights to support your journey toward a healthier, happier life through nature's remedies.